My FABE, welcome to MaiMoments, the best channel for makeup and hair tutorial and also products review. I'm super excited to do the 5-minute makeup challenge that Bella and Chloe have challenged me to do for my first date. Let's see how it goes, because seriously, if I turn out to look ugly, he's be gone. So let's see if I can able to make this work. They have sent me a surprise box. This is basically wake up and makeup. How cute is that? First tiny box, I believe this is the magnetic eyelashes. So basically you don't have to use eyelashes glue at all. And this kind is natural. I believe they have 3 different kinds or 4, I cannot remember, but you can select which version that you want. If you're going for volumes or lengthening, then you can select the dramatic one. The box, I really enjoy. The boxes it come with these lashes is very fancy. Plus it has a mirror on top here so you can see yourself, and if you're going to carry this around, at least you have a mirror to also do your makeup, which I think is very excellent that they have put a mirror in here. The strip of this eyelashes come with 3 magnetics, and it's going to attach to the 3 bottom part of the individual lashes. Another product I have in here is basically the eyelashes applicator to help you apply eyelashes way faster. But seriously, I have tried this. It got me really frustrated. So it's basically like out the window. I'm not going to use this at all. I'm going to use a tweezer instead. And for the final boxes I have in here, which is way bigger. Ooh. Let's open this baby up. Ooh, this is a makeup sponge set. So we have 2 of the beauty sponge, very standards that we have seen. This is pretty interesting. I like the shape of this, the blue one. This one is a very common. It is very similar to the beauty blender that we all love and know. And then this one is a beauty puff, which is very interesting because I never seen it in this shapes. And then this one right here is a beauty holder, if I can take it out. But it is super cute. So apparently they have 3 different kind of beauty sponge for different properties. The first one is going to be the beauty puff, and this is going to be great for beginners. You do want to rinse it through with water and rinse out the water, so this is going to be damp and I bet it's going to expand, so it's going to help you achieve amazing flawless skins. This one right here is going to be great for liquid foundation and concealers, and I really love the tip of the edge because I can really dig in the edge, which is hard, especially under my eyes and also the side of my nose. But I really enjoy this shape. It's very unique because normally you definitely see this shape, egg shape right here. Beauty blender definitely have this shapes, and it's going to give you amazing flawless skins, and also is going to help your makeup last longer because it'll look really nice and perfect. So what I'm going to do here is using my iPhone as a stopwatch. I only have 5 minutes to complete this first date makeup look challenge. It could be turn out amazing or a disaster. You will be the judge and let me know if you would definitely take me out on the second date after you have seen this makeup look. I'm going to take a pictures before and after for you guys to compare. So let's go ahead and take the first before. Okay, let's see if I can make this happen. First of all, let's pull this back. Whew. 3, 2, 1, start. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh snap. I'm going to do my eyebrows first because my eyebrows definitely need help. Ooh, stress. Okay, no stress. Absolutely no stress. Yep. Okay, whatever. And oh my gosh, did I just break this thing? Oh my gosh. Shoot, I need a different one. Darn it. Oh my gosh, you guys, I could not find what happened. What happened? What just happened? Oh, no, it's only 1 minute. No. Oh, gosh. Okay, I found a different one. Okay. Okay. Okay, closely enough. It looked like a sister is not going to be better. Foundations. Oh shoot. Okay. I'm just going in with my hands. And I'm just going to apply all over my face. I mean, it's gonna work, okay? Yeah. Yep. And I'm going to use this. Oh my god. This is such a stress, you guys. I did not know. Oh, 5 minutes is this stress. Oh, okay. No stress, no stress. Keep going, keep going. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, gather myself, no stress. Then the eye part, I'm going to apply right here. Okay, there we go. Don't need to look good, right? It's only 5-minute makeup. Oh, no, really, seriously, my goal is try to look good, but it's not going anywhere. Oh snap. Brush. Okay, there we go. Okay, blush. Blush. Okay, highlighters. Highlighter. Lips. Oh god. Okay. Contour. Under my eyes. On the nose. Oh gosh. Okay, that's just cricket, but who cares? Going to use a different sponge. No, where you going? Okay. And blend. Come on. Oh, shoot, only 1 minute left. Okay, you guys, I'm blending. Oh, this is such a torture. Never realized doing my makeup in 5 minutes is just stressful. Yeah, okay. Hopefully it looked good. Okay. Let's add some more bronzers because, oh no, it's only 30 seconds left. Okay. Eyelashes. Okay, I'm going to try to put on my false lashes. Ooh, baby, come on. Oh no. Okay. Ow. Okay. Stress. Oh, no. Where you going? No. Oh, no, the eyelashes. Woo! Got the eyelashes on. It look kind of funky. Okay, I got the eyelashes on. Mascara. Oh snap. Okay, well, it's not bad, you guys. Okay. Woo! Oh my gosh. I I don't know, my mind just went crazy. Yes, 5-minute makeup is definitely really hard. So my time is up and I basically have foundation all over my hand and also on the side of my hair. Look like I have gray hair, but we have to take pictures first before we can judge in comparison. I'm going to zoom in so you have a closer look of what happened and we can dissect every piece that is going right and going wrong. I'm going to start with the unpositive first so we can end with positivities. The overall, I would say it's okay. It's not that great, but man, the eyebrows though. It is not sister or twins at all. It is basically cousins because I don't have time to really work at it. And my foundations is not that perfect because I just basically slap it on with my hands. Seriously, I did not have enough time. The bronzer is not even at all. It's not well blended, but let's end with the positivities. I'm super pleased that I have my false eyelashes on. Is popping, is beautiful, and that's all it matter. And the lip gloss, yes, lip gloss girl is popping, so I'm loving it. It's super easy to apply, it's fast, but the foundations overall, it's not that bad, but it could be better. I mean, I did not have time. And then for mascara, I barely apply some under my eyes. Just try to accommodate the lashes on top because it's going to look so weird that you have full on lashes, on the upper part and then barely any on the lower. And the blushes, yes, on point because it's barely even there. So I guess it is not that bad. Yeah, so what do you guys think? Definitely comment down below whether you are going to accept a second date after seeing this face right here. Another thing that I'm super excited to share, what they wrote on here is that if I complete this challenge, they are going to give 3 giveaway to my follower who want to do this challenge too. So if that is you, definitely comment down below and I'm going to select 3. Hey, this is not bad giveaway. I really enjoy the lashes because it looks super natural, easy to apply, and super fast. And beauty sponge, I mean, like if you have 20, it's not enough because they get dirty really fast. So switch it up, girlfriend, and this is really cool and legit. Thank you so much for Bella Chloe for sending me this. And if you are not type of person that want to be entering this challenge but still want to get a discount, I have promotion code for you. You can definitely use MaiMoments to whatever it is. I'm going to link this right here and also in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this video. There's another 2 videos waiting for you to click. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell for more notification, and be part of the family. If you have any comments or requests, definitely comment down below because I love to read them. And as always, love yourself, stay motivated, peace out.